Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and I decided kind of last second that I want to do a little POV night drive. Last night I was cruising around and I went to the BMW dealership with Alden, and there was I believe it was an M3 Cs, and there was also an M3 comp as well. And to be honest, I kind of just want to go to the dealership and look at them again. Use it as some motivation, because that's what I want to get next. And the CS they have listed for like, I don't know what I want an M3 comp, but the CS, they have that thing listed for like 130 bands. But yeah, I just want to look at it for some motivation, to be honest. But I figured might as well come out here and do a little POV. It's 10 o'clock Sunday night, but now we're just out here on some like late night Sunday vibes, just some chill shit, to be honest. Nothing, I don't think we're gonna be doing nothing too crazy, just kind of chilling. I really want to go look at these cars again. Just motivates me, I don't know why, like just seeing something that I want, because that's how I was like with the Supra as well. Like I wanted this car for so long, bro. I wanted this shit for so long, and I finally just pulled the trigger. That's how I see it with this M3 comp. Do I even want to take the highway? Not really. I just washed my car. But fuck it. We'll do a pull as well. Yo, let me know down in the comment section too. Let me know what your guys' dream car is. At the moment right now, dude, mine is a BMW 2024 BMW M3 competition with the carbon buckets. I don't know like all the spec options. Like I don't know every little detail you can add, but I know I want the carbon bucket seats. That is a must. And I'm pretty sure the CS model, from my knowledge, just a different tune on the car and a couple extra carbon bits, which I don't know. I don't really like, it doesn't really amuse me that much. Like I'd rather just get a comp, because I know that shit's way less for what you're getting. It's just worth it to get like the lower spec. I don't know. Like I'm saying is like the price difference. I don't know if the CS would be worth it, in my eyes at least. Also, I don't know if you guys knew, for you guys that drive this car, if you're going downshift, like say your RPMs, like say you're sitting at like 2K, doing like 40 miles an hour, if you hold the downshift paddle, it'll take you from 8th gear to like whatever gear you could be in, like 3rd. It'll take you from like 8th to 3rd. Low-key, bro, I should do that for a video, wash my car, because I go to a car wash, but I like bring some things with me. And it's actually like a pretty efficient way of washing a car. Actually, I'm gonna let this dude go. Alright, here we go. You guys gotta see this shit. Oh my god, there it is, bro. I'm about to try and park right next to it too. Maybe for the thumbnail. Like, maybe. I don't think I'm angled enough. Guess we'll figure it out. That honestly might work. Probably not though. I don't think that works. Someone's getting in the car, what the hell? Oh no, this is an M3, sorry. M3 CS, yeah, dude, this thing is nuts. Carbon buckets in there. Looks like there's some red. And I like the little like blue. I like the blue in there. And actually, I like these mirror caps a lot. Yeah, they want 130 grand for that thing. Let me see if I can actually, I want to try and take one more thumbnail picture. I don't know if that's close enough. I don't even know if I moved over at all. That might be good. Yeah, I don't really care for that. I think that's good. What if I want to go over to the other one real quick? They got the color. Like, I actually do like this color. But this is my favorite. This is my favorite color. This thing is crazy. Yeah, this is the M4. So that one's the M3. And then this is the M4. No carbon buckets in this one though. Carbon roof though. That's actually sick. Carbon roof. I wonder, I bet you that M4 probably, or that M3 probably has no mileage on it. So they probably wouldn't let me test drive. But I would love to go test drive this and that car over there as well. I would love to do that. But that 2024, I doubt they're gonna let me test drive that shit. They're gonna get fucking lost, buddy. Although these are crazy too. They just look crazy. Little I'm gonna try and line up for one more nail. Let me actually. That might be too much. I wish it was just up a little more. Oh. Bro, this car on like E30 to E50 is freaking nuts, dude. I'm on like E43 right now. I wonder if that's better for the night POVs. I wonder if I should try. Actually, oh, they want you to cut the, no, fuck that. Actually, I'm gonna cut it here at this light. I want to see how this interior light looks. It don't look bad with it on. It's not really the biggest difference though. Steady boy. Maybe I should turn this off because I don't think you're supposed to drive with that. Oh, he's going to Walmart. Yeah, he's going to Walmart. This street is dead. I mean, everyone's in bed for work tomorrow. I don't work on Mondays, so this is like my Saturday night. So I like to just chill, stay up, and edit or just do something. There's another one. He's probably going to Walmart too. Someone's probably fucking stealing or some shit. Can't wait to get my license plate lights tomorrow too. I might do an install video. I mean, it's pretty like self-explanatory. It's pretty easy from what I did on my Acura. I did it on my Acura like 3 years ago, and it was pretty easy. But who knows, maybe I'll just do it for the content, but it's like, I really don't know if it's worth it. Like, maybe I'll record it, but if it's like 5 minutes, I don't really think there's any point in posting that. I mean, if it's a 5-minute job, what the hell's the point? You know? And I think my wing comes literally the day after. It's just a turbo spool for me, bro. Like, putting on that downpipe, callus downpipe, makes a hell of a difference.